Yo guys, what is going on? So today, you're watching this video, because you want to know how to get Spotify Premium for free. And that's what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to show you how to get a 6-month Spotify Premium membership. And it's pretty easy. It takes a few minutes of your time. And of course, it's completely free. So you need to use sorry guys. You need to use your mobile phone and open up an internet browser. So I'm going to be recording mine, putting it here, so just make sure you follow all of the instructions, because you need to go to this website, guys, www.wavycoupons.com. So make sure you copy the website exactly how I've typed it here, Wavy Coupons. Now, when you reach this page, you need to find the Spotify Premium page. So go to search and type in Spotify. And you're going to see this page pop up, Spotify Premium codes. So open it up. So you can see you can get a 100% free 6 months Spotify Premium subscription, or you can get a Spotify gift card code as well. So click on Show Coupon, and this is basically going to be a code that you can redeem within the Spotify app, and it's going to credit you a completely free 6-month Spotify subscription. So you can see we need to unlock the code. These codes are protected. Basically, Wavy Coupons protects their codes to ensure that each person can only get one. Obviously, these are pretty valuable, so you need to unlock your code. So tap Unlock Code, and this is going to sort of process, and then you're going to see a new screen that appears with a set of short instructions, and it's going to tell you how to get your free Spotify Premium code. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure you follow all of the instructions, and it's going to reveal your code that you can redeem for the free premium. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead, leave a comment below and hit the like button, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed this sort of video, and enjoy your free Spotify Premium. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.